Today I'm going to show you how to use pre-made glitter files. First we need to get us an image to work on. I'm making it fairly large at 1000 by 200 with a transparent background. Now we need to decide on a font. I've chose Cooper STD Black, size set at 100. My stroke is set at 3 because I want an outline around it. My foreground color, which is the outline color, is black. My fill color, background color, is white. So let's get started. We'll type in Happy Holidays. Now that we've got that, we need to right click and convert this to a raster layer. I can highlight and delete this first layer we made because we don't need it anymore. Now I need to go up to Objects and Align Center in my canvas. We do need 3 layers of it, so we will duplicate it twice. I'll close off the top 2 layers and highlight the bottom layer. We'll go pick up our magic wand and we will start clicking in each of these letters. Just pops in. Don't forget the little dot over the I. Now that we have all those selected, we're ready to get our glitter file. So let's go to Animation Shop. I already have selected mine, but I'll show you where I got it from. There's a lot of flashies that you can choose from. Glitter files. This is where I got my glitter from. It's this one that we're using. If I click on it, it'll just pop in again. Glitter lines. These would be nice to use on an image. More sparkles. So now let's get started. We'll close this off. And I'll go and highlight my first frame. We'll right click, copy, back to PSP, right click, paste as new image. Back to Animation Shop and highlight the second frame, copy, back to PSP, right click, paste as new image. We'll pull it down. We need to keep these in order that we bring them over. Highlight the third frame, copy, back to PSP, paste it in as new image, bring that down, make our image active so that we've got our ants going, and we'll go over and select Pattern, click on the little tab, and pick up our first pattern that we brought over. Click OK. Now we're ready to fill the letters, so let's click on our flood fill and start filling our letters. It's fairly easy to do. It's just time consuming sometimes. That layer is done, so let's close it and go up to the middle layer. Now we have to go and get our second frame we brought over and click in it. Now that one is done, so let's move up to the top layer, highlight it, go, click again here, and get our third one. And you notice I didn't change the settings from the default settings. And let's flood fill this. Now that we have all 3 layers done, let's make sure that we open them all. And let's go up to selections and select none to get rid of the marching ants. And we're ready to save this file. There's couple of ways that you can do this. You can save it as a file like I'm going to, or you could right click, paste as new animation directly into Animation Shop layer by layer, but let's just save it. And I'm going to save it in my pictures file, and I'll just name it, change this to image 1. And we need to make sure that we select PSP Animation Shop file to save it as, so it will open in Animation Shop. And just save it. Now let's go to Animation Shop and let's find our file. Go up to Pictures, and there it is. So let's close that, and I'll pull this out to show you that we've got the frames. Got 3 frames. Let's just check it. You can change the frame speed if you don't like the way it's animating, but I think it's okay. So let's just save it. We'll go File, Save As, and we'll name it Happy Holidays. And let's change this and save it in our picture file. Now when this comes up, you need to check on this Customize tab, and these 3 tabs need to be checked like mine. These 3 checked. This one comes up is the most important because we want this set to 41, and we want to say no, use with the existing image color. If you check the yes, any color that's in this box will show around your image when you save it, and that's not very good. So make sure you check no. You don't have to check this every time you save an image if you have made sure that you have them set like this. And then just go next, 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 and finish. And we have it saved. Let's look at a couple that I've done. I put my name to a little cute kitten. Let's see how she works. Very easy to do. I have one more that, as an example, is just a plain hugs. Pre-made glitter files are very easy to use and very versatile in what you use them with. So, hope you enjoyed my video.